Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an FHA home loan application letter. What is an FHA home loan application letter? An FHA or Federal Housing Administration home loan application letter is a formal written request submitted by an individual or a family applying for an FHA-insured home loan. This letter is typically a part of the mortgage application process and provides details about the applicant's financial situation, employment, income, and the property they intend to purchase. The letter serves to initiate the application process and may include information about the desired loan amount, the purpose of the loan, and any other relevant details needed to assess eligibility for an FHA loan. It's a critical step in obtaining government-backed mortgage financing for home purchases. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an FHA home loan application letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you can write your personal information as the writer of the letter. You can start with your full name. And then, write your home address. Don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And then, write the date of the letter. Yes, you can use the format of month, date, and year. For the next, write the recipient's information. You need to write the recipient's full name. And then, write the occupation in the company or organization. And write the company or organization name. In this example, the letter is addressed to the loan officer at Home Lending Pros. And now, write the address of the company or organization. Don't forget to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After writing these information, now you can open the letter with a salutation. Simply write, "Dear," followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, you can start with a warming greeting like, "I hope this letter finds you well." And then, write an introduction. The introduction here explains the purpose of the letter. Yes, your goal is to apply for an FHA home loan. And here is the example. I am writing to formally apply for an FHA home loan to assist in the purchase of my new home. In the second paragraph, you can briefly state your financial goals. And tell the reason why you believe that an FHA loan is the right choice for you. If you don't know what to write, you can simply write something like, "I have been diligently working to secure a stable financial future for my family. And becoming a homeowner is a significant step toward achieving this goal." And now, show how confident you are with your decision, which is to choose FHA home loan program over other programs. In this example, the writer explained, "After researching various mortgage options, I believe that the FHA home loan program is the most suitable for my needs." In the third paragraph, this is where you give all details about the property information. If you see, the applicant provides essential details about the property they intend to purchase. And this includes the property's address, purchase price, estimated down payment, and its type. And you can check this sample. Here are some key details related to my loan application. 1. Property information. Address of the property I intend to purchase. 789 Elm Street. Purchase price of the property. $250,000. Estimated down payment. $12,500. Type of property. Single-family home. In the second point, write about your financial information. This paragraph delves into your financial situation. The key information here includes annual income, employment details, credit score, and total monthly debt obligations. And here is the example. 2. Financial information. Annual income, $60,000. Employment details. Full-time employed at ABC Corporation. Credit score, 720. Total monthly debt obligations, $1,200. In the third point, it is about the loan details. The applicant specifies the loan amount they are requesting. And you need to write other details like, the preferred loan term, and any other relevant loan-related information. You can check this sample. 3. Loan details. Loan amount requested, $237,500. Preferred loan term, 30 years. After writing the 3 points above, now you can continue to write about documentation and preparation. In this case, the applicant needs to express their commitment to providing all necessary documentation to support the loan application. And don't forget to acknowledge the importance of a comprehensive and accurate application as well. This is crucial to input. You can simply write something like, "I understand the importance of a comprehensive and accurate application. To facilitate this process, I have included all necessary documentation. They are including proof of income, employment verification, and credit reports." And when you write it, make sure you really attach all the documents you have mentioned. This is a must. In the 5th paragraph, request for review. Here, the applicant asks the loan officer to review the application. And you can do the same. Don't forget to request feedback on any additional documents or information needed to proceed with the loan process. If you have no idea what to write in this section, you may simply copy this. I kindly request that you review my application at your earliest convenience. And inform me of any additional documents or information required to move forward with the loan process. In the 6th paragraph, show your appreciation and requesting for assistance. Of course, it is highly recommended that you deliver thank you message for the loan officer's guidance and expertise. You may simply write, "I appreciate your guidance and expertise in navigating the FHA home loan application process." And give also your contact information. This section includes the applicant's contact information like phone number and email address. It is good if you encourage the loan officer to get in touch if they have any questions or require further information. Here is how you write it. If you have any questions or require further information, please do not hesitate to contact me at john.smith@email.com or 555-555-5555. In the last paragraph, once again, thank the recipient for their consideration. Simply write, "Thank you for considering my application." If you see, the right also expresses their eagerness to work with the loan officer to secure financing for their new home. For example, "I look forward to the opportunity of working with you to secure financing for my new home. Your assistance in making homeownership a reality is greatly appreciated." Sure, you can write it with your own language based on your preference. Finally, you can close the letter with "sincerely." Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write an FHA home loan application letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.